So many things can be made with milk. We make mozzarella cheese. Every morning, a milk truck arrives directly from the local cow sheds where fresh milk is collected. Before being accepted, it is thoroughly checked and analyzed to assess its integrity and organoleptic properties. Everything is okay, so the milk is unloaded. Before processing, it is filtered and stored in large outdoor steel tanks and left to rest for a day. Our work begins at dawn with the pasteurization process and filling of large multi-purpose vats where the milk is already at a temperature of 40 degrees centigrade. Each vat contains 3,500 litres of milk, the daily production of 150 cows. Processing begins when lactic ferments and rennet are added. After 10 minutes, the most nutritious parts of the milk solidify, and the process of separating the whey from the curds begins, which we speed up by mechanically cutting the curds into small pieces. About 400 kilos of mozzarella are produced from each vat. Then the curds are poured into a ripening unit, where the lactic ferments can continue to work. After about 3 hours, lactose is transformed into lactic acid, the essential ingredient for the production of wholesome and tasty mozzarella. During this period, it is important to continuously monitor the acidity to ensure the correct ripening curve and obtain the characteristic milky fragrance of our mozzarella cheese. But only human observation and expertise can identify when the time is right to continue with processing. First, the right amount of stretching must be achieved. It needs to be perfect. At this point, the curds ready for processing are transferred to the stretching machines. Here they are finely chopped and mixed with water at 85 degrees centigrade to obtain the right degree of stretching under the close supervision of the cheesemaker. And then we have the first mozzarella cheeses. Cherry-size and bite-size mozzarella balls, mozzarella sheets and strands. Different shapes, but always the same ingredient. Warm, stretched curds that are put into molds to become mozzarella in different shapes and sizes. Very fresh spring water directly from the subsoil is used to cool the mozzarella cheeses. This pure water also contributes to the quality of our products. Before being packed, mozzarella strands pass through brine, water mixed with salt, the right seasoning for this type of product. Some of the mozzarella strands are diced or shredded into strips that are practical for pizzas. The bite-sized mozzarella ball is the most traditional shape and perhaps the most popular at meals. Each portion contains all the most nutritious parts of a liter of milk. This is why portions are individually packed to guarantee freshness. The cherry-sized mozzarella balls are our favorites and seem to be the most popular with consumers. Perhaps this is because of their size, as they are the most versatile for different dishes. They are available in different packs, so that they can always be eaten when fresh, as required. Some of the cherry-sized mozzarella balls are smoked. This natural process is achieved by burning natural beech wood. A cold temperature is the best natural preservative. It extends product life and keeps organoleptic and nutritional properties intact. An innovative IQF system ensures that mozzarella cheeses are frozen and remain separated in packs. High standards of quality and a focus on tradition have enabled us to produce a line of organic products. This is why we were the first company in this sector in Italy to be awarded prestigious food safety certification for our products by a foreign institution. Many people ask us the secret to recognizing a really good mozzarella, and our reply is always the same. If it tastes milky, it is quality mozzarella.